Airxcel Thermostat troubleshooting quick fixes for power issues. Having power issues with your Airxcel Thermostat can be frustrating, but don't worry, here are some quick fixes to get it working again. Follow these simple steps to check and resolve power-related problems. Checking power supply. First, make sure your thermostat is getting power. Check the power supply from the main source. Look at the circuit breaker and ensure it is not tripped. If tripped, reset it. Also, check for any loose connections or frayed wires. Step Action 1. Inspect the circuit breaker. 2. Check for loose connections. Ensure wires are not frayed. If everything looks fine, proceed to the next step. Resetting the thermostat. Sometimes a simple reset can fix many issues. To reset the Airxcel thermostat, follow these steps. 1. Turn off the thermostat. 2. Wait for 30 seconds. 3. Turn the thermostat back on. This can help refresh the system and solve minor glitches. If the problem persists, you may need to replace the batteries. Open the thermostat cover and locate the battery compartment. Replace the old batteries with fresh ones. Make sure the batteries are installed correctly. By checking the power supply and resetting the thermostat, you can often resolve many power issues. If these steps do not work, consult the user manual or contact customer support.